Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ja. So today I'm going to be cooking spaghetti. Everybody know that's a typical meal that everybody cooks in their household. You have kids, you don't have kids, everybody loves some spaghetti, some pasta. So today I'm going to be cooking spaghetti, but I'm not going to be using ground beef or ground turkey. I'm going to be using sausage. So I'm going to do a sausage spaghetti. This is the first time I'm doing it just sausages. Usually I do ground turkey and mix the sausages in. You know, the turkey sausages in, cut it up and mix it into the ground turkey and cook it. This time I actually got beef sausage. I'm gonna show everything I got, but this is what I'm going to be doing, cooking spaghetti. I got like 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes to get this meal done. Kids are hungry. They're in the background playing. We got other kids in the room saying they're hungry, so we're gonna get this done. Don't mind this. I had a video before this that I did I went to Dollar Tree today, did a little you know, fall activity haul for kids, but I ended up spilling something on my shirt. I'm not gonna change this shirt because yeah, it's late, it's getting late anyway, and I have to take a shower, so I'm not gonna dirty up another shirt. I'll probably get something on it from cooking anyway. So you hear Delia in the background. She's saying oh no. She's playing with her kinetic sand type stuff. Sand. What happened to the sand, baby? What happened? What happened to the sand? Okay. I think she keeps dropping it, but I'm going to show you everything that I'm using as far as seasonings and everything else, and then I'm going to start cooking. So first I had the beef smoked sausage. I have it sitting in water because it was actually frozen. I have 2 packs of them. Don't mind my calendar. That is for the noodles, the pasta, and then I'm going to probably try to put an onion in there. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Move that pot over there. I have 2 pot-sized spaghettis. I'm thinking about doing either 1 box, 1.5. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to ask who's eating the spaghetti. But these are all the seasonings I'm actually going to put in. It looks like a lot of different ones, but I like my pasta sauce flavorful. Now, I don't eat meat, so I will not be eating the sausages, but I will be eating the pasta and the noodles. And baby Delia as well does not eat meat yet, so I want to make my, you know, this is everything that I'm using. I don't know if I'm doing this adobo. I just had that out. Some black pepper and then maybe some seasoning salt. And then I'm going to be using this Prego. So I'm going to get this sauce all nice and seasoned up. I got the pot of water boiling on the back. I got this for the sausages. I don't know what this is. I think that they call that, like, that's the water spot, but I'm going to clean that out. And then I got a pot for the sauce. I'm also going to put the oven on because I do have some garlic bread or garlic breadsticks, but I don't know which one I'm using. So let's start off with prepping the sausages. Okay guys, so I'm just going to cut up the sausages. I have 2 of these, so I'm going to get these cut up really fast. I want them pretty small, so it's kind of like, you know, small enough to eat. I don't want no big sizes, so I'm going to split it in half and then split it in quarters and then dice them up that way. This is everything that I'm doing. Hopefully they keep coming to small pieces. And if I gotta like cut them up, like, you know, like this, I definitely will. But I like small pieces. Well, I'm not eating them, but something small like this, a little small piece. So that's what I'm gonna do. Get the sausages cut up in small pieces. So yes guys, now I'm just cutting up, these are both packs of the sausages, and I'm just making them smaller so they can be small bite-sized pieces. Almost kind of like it would be like ground beef or ground turkey, but there's sausages. So yes, comment down below, how do you guys make your spaghetti? Now, do you make your spaghetti the same way every time? And also comment if is that a particular meal in your household that you make weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly? And yeah, how do you make it when you do make it? Now, me particularly, this is my first time using just the sausages. Sometimes I use the sausages cut up in circles and make it that way with ground turkey or ground beef. But this is my first time actually doing it this way, and it actually came out pretty good. The sauce was so flavorful. I did not miss the meat. And I love meals like that because, like I said, I don't eat meat. So, you know, I need my sauce to be so flavorful so that I don't have to be like, dang, I wish I had a piece of meat in here for it to taste so yummy. But yes, that's everything I'm putting in there. I'm just going to keep on all the seasonings that I showed you. I'm putting them into the sauce. And I'm just going to mix it right in. Now, sometimes with the sauce, I do add either Alfredo sauce or heavy cream to give it that penne vodka look, but it tastes so creamy. And it makes the sauce just taste better for some reason. But me adding all the seasonings into this sauce, it made the sauce, like I said, flavorful. So this was a win-win in my book. So yes, I'm just going to add both boxes of spaghetti. And I had asked everyone if they were eating, and they say yes. And I asked, were they going to possibly save a plate for tomorrow? And they say yes. Then I added the garlic in. And then, you know, let it cook. So yeah, I am still stirring up the sausages. I like it to be cooked, looking nice dark brown. And, you know, that's how I like it. I'm going to add the sausages in the sauce. That pot in the back was the separate pot for me and Delia without meat. And then, you know, the front pot is where I'm going to add the sausages to. After I add the sausages in, I'm going to stir it up. And then, yeah, everything is ready. This meal literally took from start to finish less than 30 minutes. Yes, while I was cooking, my baby girl was at the table and she was crying out for me. She wanted her milk, which is her boo, because she still is breastfed. So I tried to hurry up and speed it along and plate everything. So one plate was my son's, one plate is my girlfriend's daughter, and then that of course is the baby's plate. So my son is going to taste it. He put a hell of cheese on it, so I don't know if he's going to taste how good the sausage is. But taste it and tell me if you like this type of spaghetti, if you like it when I do the ground turkey.
It's a sausage right here.
Yeah, go ahead. Taste it with the pasta. Put it all in your mouth.
Hey, yo.
Let's see.
Hold up. Let me get some meat real quick.
How is it? How is it? On a scale of 1 to 10, how you like it?
Bussin'.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what's the number you give it?
100.
Oh, yes. So, there you have it. There you have it. So, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. So, you guys should go ahead and try that, you know, smoked spaghetti, because it was bussin'. He said he liked it. And you like it better? Do you like the ground beef or you like the sausage better? Which one you like?
Both of them. I think I like the sausage better.
Okay, so you like the sausage better. So if you haven't tried with just doing sausages and cut it up small, go ahead and try it. But thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.